and the rough. Smooth Daddy is going out for the early lead. Ring Weekend from the rail. Bashert now moves up. Smooth Daddy with the lead over Bashert. Ring Weekend down at the hedge runs in third. And then it's Storm running in fourth. Walliana's on the outside in fifth. And then a break of 3 lengths to Cabo Cat. And Long Shot Predicting is at the back of the pack in seventh. They round the clubhouse turn. Smooth Daddy with the lead here by a length and a half. Bashert is second by a head. Ring Weekend, the favorite, on the inside is third through an opening quarter mile that was run in 23 and 1/5 seconds. They head up the backstretch. Smooth Daddy sets the pace here and leads by a little more than a length over Bashert. Ring Weekend is third, 3 lengths from the front. Then Walliana in fourth, followed by Storm in fifth. A break of 2 to Cabo Cat, 2.5 more to Predicting, who continues to trail, and the half was run in 47 and 1/5 seconds. It's Smooth Daddy still in front. Smooth Daddy by a length and a half. Bashert, Walliana, Ring Weekend, all giving chase to Smooth Daddy. And the field is now midway around the far turn. Smooth Daddy holding the lead here. Walliana on the outside. Ring Weekend down towards the rail as Bashert drops back. Then it's Storm and Cabo Cat as the field heads for home in the Saranac. And it's Smooth Daddy challenged here by Ring Weekend. Ring Weekend and Smooth Daddy, and Ring Weekend now takes the lead. Smooth Daddy is back running in second. It's Ring Weekend and Johnny Velasquez on his third winner today. Ring Weekend by 3. Smooth Daddy, a clear-cut second, a photo for third.